Today, we're making a crispy, golden potato-filled snack that's crunchy on the outside and soft, flavorful, and spicy on the inside. Perfect for tea time, parties, or whenever you're craving something delicious and homemade. Let's get started. First, in a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and salt to taste. Give it a quick mix so the salt spreads evenly through the flour. Now slowly add 1/3 cup of room temperature water. Don't pour it all at once. Add gradually while mixing with your hands. This helps create a soft and smooth dough without making it sticky. Once the dough is ready, cover it and let it rest for 5 minutes. In another bowl, add 2 medium-sized mashed potatoes. Now season them with salt to taste, 1/2 teaspoon chili powder for a little heat, 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder for that warm, earthy flavor, and 1/2 teaspoon coriander powder for freshness. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon garlic and 1/2 teaspoon ginger. Now, mix everything really well until all the spices are fully combined with the potatoes. You'll already start getting that delicious spicy aroma. To make the filling hold its shape perfectly, add 2 tablespoons of cornflour. Mix again until the mixture becomes smooth and easy to shape. The cornflour helps keep the filling together while frying and gives a better texture inside. Once the filling is ready, divide it into 2 equal portions and keep aside. Now come back to the dough. Divide the dough into 2 equal portions as well. Take 1 dough ball and start rolling it out into a round shape. Roll evenly, not too thick and not too thin. A smooth round shape will help create that perfect crispy outer layer. Start rolling it out gently with smooth, even pressure. Keep turning the dough as you roll so it forms a perfect round shape. Don't make it too thin or the filling might come out. Now place and spread the potato mixture over one side of the dough. Spread it evenly so every bite gets delicious filling. Fold the dough over gently, creating a beautiful half-moon shape. Press the edges lightly to seal everything inside. Next comes the fun part, cutting and shaping. Cut the folded dough carefully into strips or desired pieces. Then twist each piece gently from both sides using your fingers. This creates a beautiful spiral design that looks extra special after frying. At this point, heat oil on medium flame. Make sure the oil is medium hot, not too hot, otherwise the outside will brown too quickly while the inside stays uncooked. Carefully place the shaped snacks into the oil one by one. Listen to that satisfying sizzling sound. Fry patiently on medium heat until they turn perfectly golden brown and crispy. As they fry, the outer layer becomes beautifully crunchy, while the spicy potato filling inside turns soft and flavorful. The aroma at this stage is absolutely irresistible. Once golden brown, remove them from the oil and place on a paper towel to absorb excess oil. And there you have it, crispy, spicy, golden potato snacks ready to serve. Enjoy them hot with ketchup, mint chutney, or a cup of tea. One bite and you'll want to make these again and again.